Alright, I almost forgot to make this video replacing the shifter bushings. So the shifter goes in this socket here and it just pops out. Just goes right in there like that. Right, and then this sleeve here. So to get this out, it goes on those two pins there. So you push down, rotate counterclockwise, and then pull it out. And it comes out. You could use your fingers. No tools needed. Just slide that out, pull the whole thing off. And then this old bushing is sitting right in there, and this bushing here is on there. So we're replacing those two with ones I got from Martin Crawler. This might need a little persuasion. I'll put just a dab of grease on here. So just a little tap with a hammer, soft blow hammer, and that slides on. So you can see this is a hard plastic, probably some kind of nylon, versus the rubber Toyota one. So these, in theory, it's got two little grooves. Just slide it in. And get those grooves around the pins and give it a push. And it works. So then we'll give it a little grease. That should do. Those old ones. Give this a little bit of wipe down. Grease on the outside of this one too. Why not? Plop this back in so you can see, just line up those two slots with the pins. Give it a wiggle, pop it in there. And line up the cap with the pins. Give it a push down. I might need two hands for this because these new bushings are stiffer. Less room in there. Let's see how I can situate y'all. There we go. All popped in. And that is, wow, night and day difference already. Night and day. So what's left is to install the boots and then the console and the boot covers, and good to go. Yeah, that feels amazing. Wow. I haven't driven it yet, but so far highly recommended. Alright guys, hope that helps, and thanks for watching, thanks for being here as always, and I'll see you next time.